Hello. Today I'm here to introduce the new all-weather Slimline while-in-use cover. These covers are a new innovation to the market with the following features. Has a low profile of 1 9/16 inches from its mounting surface. Is available in a vertical or horizontal design for maximum mounting adaptability. Is adaptable for both Duplex and GFCI receptacles. Protects the device inside from rain, snow, and sleet while in use. Allows the cords inside to exit the cover without bending due to its unique patented design. Is rated for 15 amps. NEMA 3R rated and approved for wet locations. Extra duty rated. It's made from corrosion resistant and non-conductive UV rated polycarbonate for long outdoor life. Complies with NEC Article 406.9b1. Has a locking feature and is easy to install. The cover is available in 3 colors, all gray, transparent with a gray body, and all white. Now I will demonstrate how to install the vertical Slimline in-use covers for Duplex and GFCI receptacles to a recessed and a surface-mounted outlet box. Before starting the installation, turn off the electrical current to the outlet and verify that it is off. The Duplex or GFCI receptacles should be wired per the instructions provided with the device and comply with local electrical codes. If you are not familiar with electrical wiring, or if your local code requires it, you should have the cover installed by a licensed electrician. First, I will demonstrate how to install this cover onto a Duplex receptacle mounted in a recessed box. Each cover comes with a current tap, adapter, Duplex adapter plate pre-assembled on the cover, gasket, screws, and instructions. Begin by matching the orientation of the adapter's ground prong to the ground port on the Duplex receptacle. Maintaining this orientation, plug the opposite side of the adapter with the holes into the opening in the back of the cover onto the current tap. Press until you hear a click. The cover is now ready to plug into the Duplex receptacle in the box. If you are installing the cover onto an uneven surface, be sure to apply a bead of sealing caulk on the gasket so that rainwater cannot get past the gasket. Remove the 2 long screws that are supplied with the Duplex receptacle and are used to fasten to the box and set them aside. Now, plug the cover into the Duplex outlet. Take the 2 screws that were removed earlier and install them into the holes in the front of the cover that align with the holes in the Duplex receptacle and the holes in the recessed box. Tighten the screws until the cover gasket seals against the surface that the recessed box is mounted to. Do not over-tighten the screws. The installation of the cover is now complete. For the best protection, route the cords through the cutouts in the bottom of the cover and snap the lid shut. The cover must be closed for full protection. I will now show you how to install the cover onto a GFCI receptacle that is installed in a surface-mounted box. Once again, the cover comes with a current tap, adapter, Duplex adapter plate pre-assembled on the cover, gasket, screws, and instructions. To convert the cover to work with the GFCI receptacle, the Duplex adapter plate must be snapped out and discarded. When the cover is mounted to a surface-mounted weatherproof box, you will use the 4 screws supplied with the cover. The holes for these screws must be prepared by removing the knockouts that seal these holes when they are not used. Match the orientation of the adapter's ground prong to the ground port on the GFCI receptacle. Maintaining this orientation, plug the opposite side of the adapter with the holes into the opening in the back of the cover onto the current tap. Press until you hear a click. The cover is now ready to plug into the GFCI receptacle already mounted to the surface mount box. Now, install the cover by plugging it into the GFCI receptacle and align the 4 holes in the cover base to the 4 holes located in the corners of the box. Insert the 4 screws into the holes and tighten them until the cover base seals against the box. Again, don't screw them in too tight. For the best protection, route the cords through the cutouts in the bottom of the cover and snap the lid closed. As you saw, the receptacle covers are easy to install. These covers are perfect for all outdoor electrical outlets where there is need for protection from rain, snow, or sleet when it is being used. Thanks for watching.